I made this bunch yesterday, or yesterday's evening. It's kind of a copycat of some buns that we usually buy. So I'll go ahead and see if they taste somewhat similar to the store-bought ones. Life with a toddler. So this is going out to cheese. Today is Monday, and Mikkel just took the kids, or the girls, into the city to find some stuff. They had some money they wanted to spend, so they are in the toy store right now. And then he's going grocery shopping, and I'm home with the 3 boys. And the weather's so nice today. I think spring has finally arrived. It's still a little bit windy and cold here, but progress. And yeah, today I want to share with you some clothes and stuff I bought on Shein for Liam's confirmation. It's not for him, I have already bought his on H&M, and it has arrived and he has tried it and all that stuff. It fits and everything is great. And this is for me and the girls, and maybe a few other items, I don't really remember. But the delivery time was very short this time, only 6 days, so that's great. And yeah, then I'm going to do some resetting and stuff in the house. Connor is sleeping right now, our newborn baby. He is 3 weeks old, and Logan, our toddler, he is watching Bleeble right now, a learning channel TV show on YouTube. So I'll see if I can get some stuff done and maybe do some one-on-one time with Logan. And then we gotta make dinner and all the other stuff. So that's what's going to happen today, so come along. So this is the current state of the living room. I did a reset yesterday and you almost cannot see it. And then the girls have been doing some craft work over here, and they left in a hurry before the shop closed, so they didn't pick up their stuff, but they can do it when they get back home. And someone is awake again. He slept so nice and he was so easy to get to sleep, and then I don't know what happened 2 days ago. Then he started only wanting to sleep on mommy. So baby woke up and I ended up sitting and nursing, but now he's down for a nap again.
It's a monster turn, okay?
So Mikkel and the kids are home now. They are playing with their new toys. I'll just go ahead and show you what he bought. I made a list for him and he got almost everything. And he spent around $300, and that's 1,800 Danish. So we got some socks for the kids. They needed some socks. And yeah, some energy drinks. I know they're not the healthiest, but I like them. And then he got some yogurt here. That's a big bulk pack in Denmark. We are not able to get that many things in bulk, and not very big bulk packages, but there are 12 in this one and we got 3 of them. Yes honey, wait a second, then I'll be there. And some cocoa, for we're going to host Logan's birthday this upcoming weekend, and we're going to serve hot cocoa. And then of course some diapers. We can see that we're going to adjust our weekly budget. I think we are weekly for, is it $350 or something like that? 2,000 each week. But we're going to adjust it now. We have gotten a new family member, so even though he doesn't eat stuff and I breastfeed, he uses a lot of diapers. And we got some more of these pacifiers. And we got some cereal here. And a bit of craft stuff as well. And we have some veggies over here. And we're going to have this potato salad tomorrow with some chicken breasts. And then we have this one here that's for Danish goulash. It's not the same goulash as you're familiar with in the US, but I'll show you that when time comes. And then we have some chicken burgers and some deli for sandwiches. And also here some sausage and some ketchup. We are a big spender of ketchup, or Liam is. I think he's eating one of those a week or something like that. And then we got some flavored lemonade. I don't know if it's called lemonade. Is it lemonade? I don't know. It tastes of berries. And then we got the milk. A ton of milk. Yeah. And some more yogurt down here I can see. And then Mikkel got some, I don't know what it's called. It's a kind of sour milk. I don't know. If I figure out what it's called in English, I'll write it on the screen. So yeah, this is what we got for this week. And our meal plan. Oh, he also got some boxes with ice cream. For this week we are going to have the chicken burgers, and then we're going to have some chicken breast with the potato salad, the goulash, and meatballs with curry.
Look how cute.
And then I'm not sure for the rest of the days, but we'll figure that out. So this is what we got, and I'll go ahead and put all this away now. So Freya found the first 2 eggs of the year. Spring is finally here.
Yeah. We only have 2 chickens, so I'm guessing it was either that they both laid one or one of them laid 2 and the other just... It's one of those.
Yeah, probably.
I don't think both of them would lay this egg in the same spot.
Look at this tree, how beautiful it is.
Yeah, but Mom, I have an idea. Can we please let them roam free for a while under my vision?
What?
Can I let them run free for a while under my vision?
Oh, I don't know.
I've done it.
Do you know that that animal, maybe a fox or something, that ate some of them?
I know we have a fox around here. We followed it over there.
It's actually almost 1 o'clock, so time is running fast. I took a nap here before noon because I was just so tired. He did, however, sleep like 5 hours in a row this night, so I don't know. I think I have some sleep to catch up on. And yeah, I didn't really get so much visiting done in here yesterday because he wanted his mama, so it is what it is. So I'm going to do that today. And then I also have to clean out the fridge. I just stuffed things in there yesterday, but I know that I have to declutter it. I usually do it on Sundays, and last time it ended up being on a Monday, and now it's Tuesday this time, so my record is not the best, but it's fine, it's fine. Nobody's going to get hurt. And yeah, the weather is so nice today. I think that we are going out for a walk, the first walk with the prom and the newborn baby. And he is 3 weeks and 2 days old today. So I just feel like it has been too cold until now, so I think we're going to try that out today. How cute is this little dude? Hi. And he loves his little brother. That is so cute. Where? So let's go ahead and see what's in the bag from Shein.
Nope, I'm not patient anymore.
You can also help him.
Wait, can I?
Yeah.
Thank you.
There's stuff for both of you in there.
Both?
And mommy.
And mom?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I feel there's a part right there. There's a big box in here.
A box?
Yep.
No, that's Logan's. Oh my god, it's cute. Oh, look at that.
There's a box in
He's
here.
going to match Liam.
There's a box in a package. How many dresses did you order for yourself?
2.
I think this is from Mom. Is this for...
Oh, that's shoes.
Who's mine? These. Mom, I think it's yours. I think it's this.
It's Mom. That's Freya.
I think it's mine. Hvordan gør man med dem her? Who's this? This one. Is that mine? My shoes!
Hey! Jeg har nu lige kommet tøjet ind i hånden, så jeg har ikke.
Wow, they're so pretty.
So we are going for the first walk with the prom. And we have... How many kids are with us today? Oh, look at that, Freya. This tower thing here. It needs some work. Oh, it's so nice. I can see the grass has started growing.
Yeah.
And I think Freya has a little bit too little clothes on.
No, it's warm.
So I brought her jacket here.
Mom, how dare you say that?
Oh, and look at those trees over there. They are starting to become green. We have the horses down there. And now we have 2 kittens. Or cats. Logan. What is that? A teenager? Who can it be on this dirt road? Who do you think it is?
Leo!
Yeah. He wants to get up. I think that we need a twin prom. Freya was in here making it a little bit more cozy for the chickens. And she found some grass for them. And she's also done something in the chicken coop, ain't she? For the hen's house. Hello, lady. So Connor is sleeping and I'm cooking dinner. We are going to have some chicken bites with some potato salad and some pasta and broccoli. And then I also got some laundry going that I gotta rotate very soon. So a lot of things going on here right now. Mikkel is not home. He's at his brother's doing some stuff on his computer. So I'm a one-man army tonight. And hopefully everything is going to go smooth. So I made 2 types. This is a homemade marinade with honey and soy sauce and some sesame seeds. And this one is just salt and pepper and some lime.